Welcome to part 37 of PC Building Simulator 2. This is the jobs that we left. Okay, moving on. Okay, let's check. I don't have any boxes. I did not order anything. But let's just see what we can do. Let's start with this one. I'm not sure what's stable under load. That's a new thing. So let's try to do what it says here. Oops. First one is overclock CPU 3764. So how do we do that? Do we like reduce that? Increments of but it's not close. One. I think I should lower it. 28. Alright, I'll just settle with 3770, 145 megahertz, and 1.40 for the volts. Then what else? Then overclock the GPU, then adjust CAS latency. So that's the RAM -2. So we go to RAM overclock. So we just put -2 on 14, -2 on 16, -2 on 16. Add 1 on the voltage. Then let's apply changes and restart. Then to overclock the GPU, we must install the software, which is the GPU tuner. Let's see what's the according to 1420 megahertz. Okay, 1420 megahertz. Then let's just bring this to maybe around 10%. Apply and exit. What's stable under load? I have no idea. I have to check that out. Adding programs. Load. Stable. Let's check again on the BIOS. I'm not sure. Let me check that out. Maybe I can research on it in Google how to do that. Alright, so I did a little bit of searching, Googling, and I did not find anything to really understand what this stable underload mean. But let's just check on the settings. I'll restart the PC and show you the BIOS in case anyone was able to get this mission as well. So right, so this is the CPU, just followed. Yeah, CPU. I did not achieve the exact amount, but I'm using this base clock 59 megahertz x64 and the CPU speed is 3776, and this is my voltage. Then the RAM overclock, I just did -2 on CL, TRCD, TRP, so just -2 on the original value. Now this one 2666 megahertz and this one is 32. I don't think I did adjustments on that. Then just apply changes and restart. And then it was all good until I adjusted the GPU. So this is what I came up with. So 20% on core voltage, then core clock is 50, that makes it 1420, and memory clock I did not adjust that. So yeah, that's what you have to do. So basically, if you achieve this 1420 and you did not put any voltage, for example, and hit apply, what will happen is it will say that it's not stable underload, or probably it will crash. So it means we need to add more voltage. What if we put like 110? So still it says stable underload is not achieved. So we need to put 20%, and when we look at it, it's now on stable underload. So I think that's how I'm gonna do that mission from now on. Okay, so I'm just gonna submit this. There's no other requests so far. Okay. Alright, I'm now level 27. Okay, let's try this job right here. Let's put the USB drive, power it on. So install Fall Guys, complete by end of the day. Check PC is clean. Only 1, 2, and 3 fans available. Fall Guys, and what's the other one? Alright, so I'm done with installing the software. Let's check. I think poison warning stickers would look cool on my PC. Can you do that? And his PC has been hot as well. So we'll add the control fan software. So here we go. Oh, there's a lot of fans. I didn't see that. Okay, that should fix that problem. Now we'll go with the poison, biohazard, cold, electric, corrosive, explosive, flammable, poison. Let's go with yellow. Yep, poison warning sticker. Okay, now let's see if we can install an additional M.2 or do we have to just buy a 2 terabyte drive? So on my storage I have another 1 terabyte. Okay, so the motherboard only has one slot for M.2. We are supposed to be purchasing a 2 terabyte drive, so let's go ahead and do that from the shop. So shop, click storage, 2 TB M.2. Then let's try descending. Alright, this is the most expensive one. The next is Patriot Viper, and then this one is the Adata XPG. Oh, this one has RGB. I think I'll just buy this one. It looks nicer. Alright, I'll buy this. Same day delivery. Okay. Now I am installing the, oh, did I not? I forgot to claim it. Where is it? Is it not compatible or something? Storage, 2 terabyte. That's weird. Oh, well, is it big? It's right here. It's M.2. I mean, like, why will it not fit? It's only 1 terabyte. I'll try to order another one. 2 terabyte. The ascending. Okay, I'll try this one then. 250. Okay, this one I can see this drive. No, it's what did I just bought 1 terabyte? M.2 1000 gig. I really thought I had that in the bag. This one, 2000. There. 2 gigs. Emoji stickers would look on PC. Can you do that? Strange pop-ups. Can you sort that out? Alright. So the customer has some virus. I'm gonna remove that. And then we're gonna place some emoji stickers. Let's hit start. There, it's cleaning it up. Look for emoji shapes warning emoji, then let's just put maybe smiley face. Okay, should be all. Let's check what is our new task. Level up, electric bill, clone OS to SSD, complete within 12 days. Diagnose and fix, complete by end of day 10 days. PC can play Face Melter Extreme Guitar, recommended spec, 3D times SPI score of 3000. Okay, we'll check that by tomorrow. Alright, the first one we will work on is the this one, Vicious V666. The reason is it takes a long time to run a benchmark. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to install a program. It's called, where's that? Will it run? Oh, it's already here. Never mind. Then the game is called Face Melter. Oh, why? Face Melter. Recommended specs. So passing RAM, passing storage, passing CPU. We failed on the graphics card. We need GeForce GTX 970. Go shop. GTX 970. Let's put that in graphics card. GTX 970 and 4 gigs of RAM. Let's just get the MSI. Okay, same day delivery, and hopefully that's all we need. Oops, another. Okay, let's power it up. Try to put back the case components while it's booting up. I'll install the 3D benchmark system or software, and then we'll run it. Okay, now while it's running there, we're gonna check my other jobs. We got clone OS to SSD. Now to do this, we just need to install one USB drive and one OS cloning USB drive. Where can we put it? There's no more slot. Mystic Red. Ah. But there should be more slots, right? How come it's not allowing me? Okay, if you don't want to allow me, I think that's okay. I'll just install the software first, and then I'll remove the USB drive and put the OS USB drive. Okay, please insert OS cloning USB drive. So I'm going to remove this and install the OS USB drive and then clone OS. Okay, now both installing and benchmarking on the right side. Okay, this is the full view. Okay, it's now finished here on this side. Now we are ready to reboot, restart. Alright, so we want to clone it to, make sure you are looking at the Adata Ultimate SU65960, because the Mortoni Easy Store 1TB is the hard drive. You want to clone it here. So install, and let's just wait for it. It's going to restart and boot up soon. Alright, so that's a notification that it's completed. Oh, we did not achieve this. Okay. Alright, so we got clone OS. PC has been loud. Can you do anything about that? Paint the case sky blue. Alright, we're gonna install the USB again. And since the clue of the customer is the PC has been loud, we have to install the fan and put it on echo mode as always. Custom echo apply. Custom echo apply. Custom echo apply. Awesome fan control echo apply. Alright, that's cool enough. And then we have been doing the loud lately. Can you do anything about that? Could you maybe paint the case sky blue? Okay, so let's go to the painting. Sky blue is cyan, so hard brush. Let's just paint it. I can't paint the sides. Should I paint on the glass as well? Can't paint the back. Alright, I guess that's all I can do. Let's see what happens now. Okay, got 4 stars, so that's barely passing. Let's check my... So I did 3261. Yeah, so that's already passing. Okay, guitar, but PC up to task. We need to turn on the specs up to 11. Yeah, make that rockin' rig in the metal machine. Okay, so for the last PC, diagnose and fix. So the usual thing, try to boot it up. If you can hear that, it's already terrible. So the parts are faulty because it can boot up, right? Okay, it gets louder when I go close. I'll just turn it off and let's check each of the parts. CPU cooler is faulty and I have to order the exact same part. So PC parts, cooler, just order that. Tag, then let's remove it again. This time I'll disconnect the RAM. So RAM is fine. CPU is okay. graphics card, both are working fine. M.2 storage is working fine. Let's check the motherboard, make sure it's not faulty. Motherboard is also good. Case fan. Alright, this fan is okay. Now let's check this. Oops, what's hard drive? It's okay. Let's check the power supply. Power supply is also okay. Budget is $40. So yep. The shipping fee would actually cost more. But that doesn't matter, right? Because we want to level up. So I'll just have to put everything back. And then the case fan. Was it dust filter and then front panel? Now we need the power supply, storage, close drive, M.2, okay, just putting it in there. CPU, close, and click on the thermal paste. Now let's apply our new cooler, graphics card, another graphics card. Let's power it up, close. Now let's check the email. Cloud theme looks cool. I'd like if you could apply that. PC has been loud lately. Can you do anything about that? So again, when it's loud, we reduce the fan speed. What if I just move it down? Alright, I'm finished with the echo mode. Now time to apply the sky theme. Sky or clouds theme? That's the only thing that's oh yeah, it's clouds theme. Yeah, dummy. Sorry about that. Okay. Let me go ahead and delete some stuff. Okay, next job, apply stickers to case, upgrade storage to 1460, replace with yellow cables. 1460, what's the current storage? Yeah, it's 3 terabyte. That's kind of odd. What does that mean? Anyway, I'll save it now, continue on the next day, and figure it out. I think we'll do the easy ones first. Apply stickers to case games. Let's go here, games, and then which sticker? Can you slap a bunch of game stickers? Okay, so a bunch. And then to clean it, okay. That is alright. Next, replace yellow cable. Okay, that should be it. Search yellow. Okay. Okay. That's it. It just wants me. There's parts and budget of 200. Is that included? Okay. Let's see what happens. Alright, 5 stars. Nice. Alright, so the customer already has one storage here and one storage here. $500 as a budget. Maybe we can just add M.2, right? Storage M.2. What about this one? Is that it? Oh, it said SSD, not M.2, so that's wrong. So I need 1 terabyte of SSD. Let's see if I have that. 1 terabyte SSD. I don't have. Let's try storage 1 terabyte SSD. So let's try this. Add to cart. Gen 4. What about 2 terabyte? Does that exist? Or 1.5? Descending. Okay, most expensive is around $700, 4 terabyte. This one is $960. Oh, how come this one is 960 gigs? Am I supposed to add a 1 terabyte This is confusing. Also add this then. $480. So I got 1 terabyte and 960. So I'll check which one fits. So I'll remove that. I'll remove the 460 and I'll be installing a one. Oh, I think it's kind of wrong what I did here. 1 terabyte and but if I put back the old one, okay, that works. Let's try to boot. Okay, document reader, can you handle that? Okay, I'm not using secondhand parts, so that's good. Let's just install the reader. Okay, done. Okay, that's all saved. Let's check the completed. Let's delete that. Install cap it all. Apply theme to case blue flannel. And then what is this? Use case Silverstone RVZ03, 16 gigs of RAM and 3D times pi score of 2000. Okay, nice. Alright, I'll save and let's go on the next day. Okay, this is the white, what's the name? Boat Buoy 4000. Alright, we'll build this one first because it will take a long time. What's RVZ03? RVZ03. Let's check all. Okay, this one. $16 gigs of RAM. I'm pretty sure I have extra. And then the budget is $900. Then 3D Mark score of 2000. Let's choose our graphics card by going to part ranking. Then go to the around 2000, so that is 1050 Ti and 1650. Let's check the price. 1650 Ti. That's around 165. Yeah, I think that's okay. We can put that in the budget. And then our motherboard will be, of course, a cheap one like ASRock. So let's put that here. Oh, parts are not compatible. Why is that? What's the size of that case? RVZ. Mini ITX micro. So our motherboard is, where's the size? Mini ITX relevance, ascending. Okay, so these are the options of the cheapest available. So 150. We got, I think we'll go with B450i, and we'll go for an AMD CPU. Alright, let's choose a CPU, and let's go with AM4, and then ascending Ryzen 5 yeah, we'll just go with $100 range. Let's try with, I'm not sure what's the difference between these two. This one has base frequency higher. We'll go with Ryzen 5 quad core 1500X. Then probably our storage will just be a HDD like this one. If I like this one, Mortoni easy store. Power supply, we just get a like around 650 watt like this. Let's try 810. Then this one, stock cooler. Oops, not compatible because of the size. What about this one? AM4 ascending. $132. This one is a lot higher. 132 millimeter, and then 90 millimeter should be short. 66 millimeter. Would that fit? Okay, that fits. Okay, I think that's everything. Let's check that out. Case, GPU, motherboard, CPU, storage, power supply, CPU cooler. Okay, I'll order it now. This is the case. Ooh, alright, that's so thin. How do we... Where do we put the motherboard? Okay, over here. Where's our CPU? Oh wow. Did I put the wrong motherboard? Is this the... I only have this. How come? Can I use second-hand parts? I also need benchmark. My budget is... Okay. I think it's fine to use second-hand parts. It doesn't say that I'm not allowed. So it has become an Intel. I didn't want it to be an Intel. i5-8400. This one is second-hand CPU. I made some shopping, but in the end it changed. Let's put 16 gigs of RAM, 8 GB. Let's make it the same. What? What about this one? Corsair Dominator. No, how come they're different frequencies? What? Okay, there. CPU cooler. Oh. Wait. Oh, I'm so dumb. It's here. The new parts is over there in the box. No, I don't want to use this anymore. I want to use the parts that I bought. Okay, let's try that again. So MSIB 450. Okay. Already in that budget. Then I put this CPU Ryzen 5 1500X. There it says. Then our memory. Yeah, sure. I'll use this CPU cooler. Make that RGB. Graphics card. Where do we put the graphics card? Over here. Alright. Power supply. Let's move this. 650 watts. And then what about the storage? Where do we? If we install a hard drive, where do we put it? Cannot put HDD, just SSD somewhere. What? Where can we put the SSD? Can we put it somewhere? Alright, let's. Can we put M.2 somewhere? Alright. Okay, M.2 is in. Is it? Oh, it's a bug. I'll remove this one first. Let's remove motherboard. 250. Graphics card. Missing cables. Why is it missing cables? Incomplete case. Let's power it up first. Let's put. Alright, this case is really interesting. This is how it looks like. The GPU is over here, the power supply, and the motherboard is there. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully we get 2000 score. Now let's go ahead and check the other job. Should be easier. Just power it up. Okay, cap it all installed. Paint case purple and PC has been loud. Alright, let's do fan control. Oh, have to double click now. It doesn't respond properly. Lastly, paint the case purple. Okay, I'm on it. So purple, oops, this is purple. Okay, should be it. Let's get the other one. Let's check my job. 2200. The requirement is 2000. So we got it. Okay, so hopefully he's not mad that this is the build that I chose. Okay, he's not mad. 5 stars. I'm now halfway there to level 28. Apply blue flannel. What's that? Oops, blue flannels, this one. And then plastic red yellow cables. I click on something bad and it's a bit erratic now with the scan help. Okay, I'm on it. Virus scanner. Red, yellow. Oh. Red, yellow. So this one looks better. All done. My XP bar did not really move at all from that job. Diagnose and fix. Set fans to performance mode, and lastly diagnose and fix again, like 2 times in a single day. Alright, I'll do manual save and I'll end the episode here, and I'll see you on the next one.